Hello, welcome back to the WOYOU channel. Having experienced the Black Swan event on October 10th, how many of our viewer friends were mercilessly liquidated? At this time, the advantage of being a miner becomes apparent. Miners have a constant production cost and will never face liquidation. If you are a Bitcoin miner, taking our currently hosted plan, the S19XB Plus Hydro 93T, as an example, the electricity cost is $0.075. The daily Bitcoin output is 0.0001 coins. Therefore, its shutdown price is approximately $83,505. On the day of the Black Swan event, the lowest price on Binance was $102,000, which was still a significant safety margin above the shutdown price. For miners, this kind of Black Swan event actually provides more time to accumulate coins. Compared to crypto traders who were liquidated and lost everything that day, the safety factor increases significantly. As we approach the traditional bull market for crypto the fourth quarter, the crypto market will gradually recover. So let's wait patiently for the flowers to bloom. For friends who haven't become miners yet, we can also look forward together to what promising mining machines are expected in Q4 of 2025. Let's start by reviewing Bitcoin machines. Recently, the S19XB Plus Hydro 93T version has started delivery. We have also launched super favorable hosting plans, considering that many old customers have provided feedback saying they want to find hosting, but it's relatively difficult for retail investors to find sites. So we have built a new mining farm ourselves. We accept hosting starting from just one machine. Fluminense has launched the home-use BTC Miner T3. Its hash rate is 115 terahashes and power consumption is 1,700 watts. Its competitor should be the Canaan Avalon Q. For such an emerging brand, we can have a little bit of expectation for it. Speaking of the Canaan Avalon A1566 Hydro with a 2U size, its hash rate is 480 terahashes and power consumption is 8,640 watts. Avalon's water-cooled machines are a relatively good choice. The price is relatively high, but the overall quality control is better. The Antminer S23 Hydro version. Antminer historically reduced the power consumption of Bitcoin miners to below 10 joules for the first time. The 1160T version and the 580T version both have reduced power consumption to 9.5 joules. This ultra-low power consumption per T for regions and countries with high electricity costs is absolutely a magic tool for reducing costs and increasing efficiency. Regarding Litecoin and Dogecoin, Antminer has launched the new king of LTC miners, the L11. The L11 has several versions. There are three. A 20 gigahashes air-cooled version, the L11 Pro air-cooled 21 gigahashes version, and the L11 Hydro version with a 6U size, whose hash rate reaches a terrifying 33 gigahashes. Similarly, launching a 30 gigahashes level machine. In normal mode, its hash rate is 30 gigahashes. Switching to high power mode in the background can reach 33 gigahashes. In other words, it can be officially overclocked by 10%. Speaking of Litecoin miners, we cannot avoid mentioning AlphaPex, which specializes in Litecoin. AlphaPex is also following the trend by launching the Hydro machine DG Hydro 1. Its hash rate is 20 gigahashes and power consumption is 3,900 watts. Under the same hash rate conditions, AlphaPex's power consumption is relatively higher compared to other manufacturers. Its advantage is that it is relatively durable. At the same time, we also have hosting plans for the AlphaPex DG1 Plus. There are also a small number of machines available for direct hash rate switching. After payment, you can start mining directly. No need to wait. The machines mentioned above are those expected to launch by the end of this year or early next year. If you want to learn more about a specific model, please feel free to leave a comment below or contact our Telegram group. Follow the WOYOU channel to get the latest mining machine information and the most favorable prices daily.